Today we're going to talk about University of Toronto Engineering Science, also known as EnSci. It's one of the most competitive engineering program here in Canada, or just in general, one of the most prestigious engineering program in North America. EnSci is a little different from a regular engineering program. Instead of choosing a discipline right away, such as civil, mechanical, or electrical engineering, the student will spend the first 2 years building a strong foundation in math, science, design, and engineering thinking. Then, in the third and fourth year, they can specialize in a major such as machine intelligence, robotics, or aerospace engineering. EngSci is designed for students who like challenging theory-based problem and want more flexibility before going into a specific engineering direction. Now, let's talk about admission. According to OU Info, the admission average for UofT EngSci it's in the low to mid 90s. But realistically, since EngSci is one of the most competitive and popular choice for engineering, students should aim much higher than just the minimum range. Furthermore, UofT 2024 admission report shows that incoming EngSci students had an average of 97% across the 6 required admission courses. For Ontario high school students, these 6 grade 12 UNM courses includes English, Advanced Function, Calculus and Vector, Chemistry, Physics, and one additional grade 12 course. For that, something like data management or computer science will be the best fit, especially if it connects to your interests. In terms of competition, UofT Engineering received around 15,000 applications for fall 2024 and made about 5,000 offers, which gives the faculty an overall offer rate of about 33%. However, since EngSci has the highest incoming average, it is fair to think of EngSci as significantly more competitive than the other engineering disciplines. To apply, student will go through OUAC, choosing Engineering Science, program code TK, and then complete the required UofT Engineering online student profile. This is where the supplementary application becomes important and MYLS AI comes in handy. At this point, strong grades are expected. The video and written question, which are part of the supplementary application, gives you an opportunity to demonstrate how you think, how you explain your ideas, and how you handle challenges. For EngSci, you do not just want to sound impressive, you want to sound clear, thoughtful, and ready for a demanding engineering environment. We will start on Google and search for MYLS interview, and now we can sign up. After filling everything in, we will begin by clicking Start Interview, then we can either scroll down or type in the desired program. In this case, I typed in University of Toronto. The first step shows you UofT's mission, vision, and values, essentially what candidates they're looking for. Next step, we recommend that you practice with the camera on so that you can fully recreate the environment and receive additional feedback on speaking and expression. This is how the interview is structured. As you can see, it will start off with one written question, then followed by 2 video-based questions, and this is where your response will be recorded and analyzed. These questions may include personal topics such as engineering motivation, leadership, teamwork, or overcoming challenges, as well as problem-based scenarios that test analysis, decision-making, and reasoning. For EngSci, strong answers should show curiosity, logical thinking, communication skills, resilience, and other personal traits. After completing the interview, the report will start with an overall score, giving a quick snapshot of your current performance compared to the target level. For each question, you will also receive a separate score across 5 different categories with an additional visual so you can clearly see which part of your response needs the most attention. The report also provides a detailed analysis of each score, explaining why the answer performed well or lost marks. You can also review what you did well, such as strong examples, clear reasoning, followed by specific areas to improve, including missing details or weak delivery. Finally, MYLS converts your recorded response into a written script so you can review exactly what you said, improve your wording, and get vocabulary and phrase suggestion to make your next answer sound more logical and professional. I strongly recommend using MYLS AI before proceeding with your university application because it is designed to accurately recreate the interview format. Instead of going into the interview unprepared, MYLS gives you a space to practice, receive feedback, and improve your answer before it actually matters. Each practice can give you different questions so that you can build confidence, strengthen your communication, and improve your ability of thinking under time pressure. Most importantly, each detailed analysis shows you exactly what you did well and what you need to improve, so that every practice helps you move towards a stronger final response. Before going into your actual interview, take time to practice with MYLS AI. It can make a real difference in how confident and competent you are as an applicant.